Hi everyone, Greg Davis with MarineMax here in Savannah. We just received a Yamaha SX195 and have it put in the water for a sea trial. Wanted to give you a quick video walkthrough. You can see with all the Yamahas, the patented transom, great access in and out of the water, has a boarding ladder, drink holders. This one has the Bimini, the SX model, with the twin captain's chairs. You see how much room is inside. And moving forward, there's the Helm station with their Connext screen, a phone holder, your stereo control, tilt wheel, storage under each side here. Great seating in front, stereo speakers. There are filler cushions that can fill that whole area in also. Foldable windshield. Great lines. This is their yacht blue and white. If you have any questions about any of the Yamaha models that we sell, please give us a call here in Savannah, 912-897-9881. Thank you.